everyone. Welcome to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 78. I'm Lily, and I'm here with my friend Ben. Today, we're talking about Valentine's Day. Ben, do you like Valentine's Day?
Hi, Lily. Hi, listeners. Yes, I like Valentine's Day. It's a fun day for love and friends. How about you, Lily?
I love it. It's February 14th every year. People give gifts and say, I love you. But let's start from the beginning. What is Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day is a holiday for love. It's named after Saint Valentine. He was a kind man a long time ago. Now we celebrate romance and friendship on this day.
That's right. Romance means love between boyfriend and girlfriend or husband and wife. But it's also for friends and family. You can say Happy Valentine's Day to anyone you care about.
Yes, let's practice that. Repeat after me. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Good job, everyone. Now, what do people do on Valentine's Day?
Many people go on dates. A date is when two people go out together, like to a restaurant or a movie. It's romantic.
Romantic means something that makes you feel love, like candles or soft music. Do you go on dates, Ben?
Sometimes. Last year, I went to a park with my girlfriend. We had a picnic. A picnic is eating food outside on a blanket.
That sounds nice. Picnics are fun. What about gifts? People give cards, flowers, and chocolate.
Cards are like small letters with pictures. They say things like, be my Valentine, or I love you.
Let's learn some words. Valentine is the name of the day, but it also means a special person you love. So be my Valentine means be my special love.
Flowers are popular too. Red roses mean love. Roses are beautiful flowers with thorns. Thorns are sharp parts on the stem.
Be careful with thorns. Chocolate is sweet candy. Everyone loves chocolate hearts. Hearts are the shape like this, heart. It means love.
Yes, let's say some phrases. I love you is the most important. Repeat. I love you.
I love you. Another one, you are special to me.
You are special to me. Good. Now, what if you don't have a boyfriend or girlfriend? You can still celebrate.
That's true. It's Galentine's Day for girls with friends, or just Friends Day. You can give cards to classmates or family.
I gave a card to my mom once. She was happy. Moms love that.
Aw, that's sweet. Sweet means nice and kind, like sugar. Now, let's talk about colors. Red and pink are Valentine's colors. Red for love, pink for friendship.
Hearts are red or pink. Balloons, too. Balloons are round things that float with air.
Fun! Do people decorate? Decorate means make pretty with things like hearts and flowers.
Yes, in schools or homes. Kids make cards in class.
I remember making cards as a kid. Kid means child. It was fun cutting paper hearts.
Cutting with scissors. Scissors are for cutting paper. Be safe.
Always. Now, food. People eat dinner together. Maybe pasta or steak.
Or candy hearts. They have words like kiss me or hug me.
Hug is when you put arms around someone. Kiss is with lips.
But for beginners, remember, hugs and kisses are friendly too.
Yes. Let's practice questions. How do you say, will you be my Valentine?
Will you be my Valentine? It's a question to ask someone special.
Answer, yes, I will. Or, no, thank you.
Polite. Polite means nice and respectful.
Good word. Now, stories. Ben, tell a simple story about Valentine's Day.
Okay. Once, a boy named Tom liked a girl named Anna. On Valentine's Day, he gave her a red rose and a card. The card said, "You make me happy." Anna smiled and said, "Thank you. I like you too."
That's cute. Cute means adorable, like a puppy.
Puppy is a baby dog. But back to the story. They went for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet.
Yummy. Yummy means delicious.
Listeners, think of your story. Practice telling it in English.
Great idea. Now, vocabulary review. Love, L-O-V-E, means care a lot.
Heart, H-E-A-R-T, the shape or the body part.
Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, like rose.
Rose, R-O-S-E, red flower.
Chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, sweet treat.
Card, C-A-R-D, paper message.
Date, D-A-T-E, going out.
Romantic, R-O-M-A-N-T-I-C, love feeling.
Let's spell Valentine's Day. V-A-L-E-N-T-I-N-E-S. Day, D-A-Y.
February, F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, month number 2.
14th, 14th.
Now, simple sentences. I like Valentine's Day.
I give flowers to my friend.
We eat chocolate together.
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
To all listeners.
What about songs? There's a song, My Funny Valentine.
But simple, roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you.
Violets are purple flowers. Sugar is white stuff.
Poem. Poem is short words that rhyme.
Rhyme means sounds the same, like blue and you.
Fun. Try making a poem.
Okay. Hearts are red, love is true. Happy Valentines to you.
Nice. Listeners, try at home.
Homework, tell a friend about Valentine's Day in English.
Or write a card.
Yes. Now, cultures. In some countries, it's different.
In Japan, girls give chocolate to boys.
Then boys give back on White Day.
White Day is March 14th.
Interesting. Interesting means cool to learn.
In America, it's for everyone.
Schools have parties.
Party, fun time with friends, food, games.
Games like passing cards.
Or heart bingo. Bingo is a game with numbers.
Simple fun.
Now, if you're single. Single means no boyfriend or girlfriend.
It's okay. Love yourself. Self-love is important.
Buy yourself chocolate.
Or watch a movie.
Movie, film on TV or cinema.
Romantic comedy. Comedy means funny.
Like when Harry met Sally.
But for beginners, watch with subtitles.
Subtitles are words on screen.
Helps learn English.
Yes, this podcast helps too.
We're here to help.
Slow speaking for beginners.
Repeat words.
Now questions for practice.
What day is Valentine's?
February 14th.
What color is love?
Red.
What gift is sweet?
Chocolate.
Good.
Your turn, listeners. Ask a friend.
Friend, someone you like.
Now feelings. Happy. Excited.
Excited means full of energy.
Or nervous. Nervous means a bit scared.
Like before a date.
But it's okay. Breathe deep.
Breathe in and out air.
Relax.
Relax means calm down.
Positive thinking.
Positive, good thoughts.
Like, it will be fun.
Fun, enjoyable.
Now more phrases. You look nice.
Nice means good.
Thank you for the gift.
I appreciate it. Appreciate means thank a lot.
Let's celebrate. Celebrate means have a party.
Together.
Together with others.
Family or friends.
Yes.
What about animals? Pets get Valentines too.
Pets. Dog, cat.
Give them treats.
Treats. Special food.
Cute.
Now history, quick.
Saint Valentine helped lovers marry.
Marry, become husband and wife.
Long ago in Rome.
Rome, city in Italy.
Italy, country in Europe.
But now, global holiday.
Global, all world.
Everyone celebrates love.
Love is universal.
Universal for all.
Nice.
Let's imagine a day.
Wake up, get a card from family.
Then school, exchange cards.
Exchange, give and get.
After, date with special one.
Dinner, talk.
Talk about day.
Then home. Happy.
Sounds perfect.
Perfect, very good.
Listeners, plan your day.
Even if alone, do something nice.
Read a book.
Book, pages with story.
Or listen to music.
Music, songs.
Love songs.
Like, I Will Always Love You.
Famous song.
Famous, known by many.
Yes.
Now, idioms. Head over heels in love.
Means very in love.
Head over heels, upside down.
Funny image.
Another, love at first sight.
Love when first see someone.
Sight, see.
Romantic.
But for beginners, simple is best.
Yes.
Let's count symbols? Wait, no, just talk. Keep going.
Weather on Valentine's Day.
Sometimes snow in February.
Snow. White cold from sky.
Make snow hearts.
Or inside warm.
Warm, not cold.
With hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, warm drink.
Yummy.
Recipes? Simple one.
Buy chocolate, melt it.
Melt, make liquid with heat.
Give as gift.
Easy.
Easy, not hard.
For beginners.
Now travel for Valentine's Day.
Go to Paris.
Paris, city of love.
France.
See Eiffel Tower.
Tower, tall building.
Lights at night.
Night, dark time.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, pretty.
Yes. Or stay home.
Home is best sometimes.
Cozy.
Cozy, comfortable.
With blanket.
Blanket, cover for warm.
Watch TV.
TV, screen for shows.
Romantic show.
Like a cartoon for kids.
Cartoon. Drawing movie.
Fun for all.
Now and soon.
But more words.
Surprise.
Surprise, something unexpected.
Like hidden gift.
Hidden, not seen.
Find it.
Exciting.
Exciting. Makes heart beat fast.
In a good way.
Yes.
Promises.
Promise. Say you will do.
I promise to love you.
Sweet.
Now, poems again.
You are my sunshine.
Sunshine, light from the sun.
Makes happy.
Yes.
Listeners, you are our sunshine.
Aw.
Thanks for listening.
Time for review.
Today, we talked about Valentine's Day.
It's February 14th, holiday for love.
Gifts, cards, flowers, chocolate.
Phrases, I love you, happy Valentine's Day.
Activities, dates, picnics, parties.
Colors, red, pink.
Feelings, happy, romantic.
We learned words like heart, rose, hug, kiss.
And stories, poems.
Practice by talking to friends.
Or writing cards.
Keep practicing English every day.
It's fun and you get better.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next episode.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.